Well, hello from Driver Hire Training. We're here at Huws Gray this morning in Newbury on a beautiful sunny day, and doing a bit of trailer awareness training with one of the fitters here, called Camaron. Doing ever so well so far. It's very switched on. So our aims is to make sure he's up to speed with hitching up, connecting things correctly, loading the vehicle and also the trailer, possibly with a mini digger, strapping it down correctly, and also make sure he's driving us up to speed with minimal risk. We're at Hire Base over in Newbury, and we've been doing some trailer towing with my friend Camaron here, and we've been looking at all sorts of different things today. Camaron, what sort of things you covered today, mate?
First of all, we started off with a PowerPoint showing me all the things about towing. Learned a lot about the highway code and what speed limits and everything like that. We also looked at different hazards, things you can and can't do. We then went out and did some hitching of the trailer to make sure it's all done in a logical order, everything's done safely. We then went out for a drive on the road to make sure I was up to scratch with towing a trailer. We then came back and loaded up a road roller and strapped it down to make sure I was doing everything correctly, and that we also checked the weights and what the trailer can tow and what the van can also tow. And afterwards we finished off by reversing the trailer back and unhitching it, and we finished there.
Fantastic, thanks Camaron. And have you found the session useful?
The session has been very useful. I have towed trailers a lot in my lifetime, but there was a lot of things I'd forgotten when it comes to the highway code about towing. So the presentation, especially at the beginning, was particularly helpful, and it jogged my memory of stuff I should have known already.
Fantastic, fantastic. Camaron, thanks ever so much for your time. It's been a great session, and really enjoyed spending the day with you today, mate.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.